Right. Yeah. So, Shivakumar, when we will go for if else? Are you getting my voice, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Whenever we have more than two options, we want to execute one option based on condition.
Is done, condition will go for what? If else. So let me give you
Else.
task for you. One task for you. Let's see the task. All of you just record the task. The task is write a console program to accept age from the user. Age from the user and display the user status. User status based on age. User status based on age. Okay. So come on. Uh, I'm going to give you two tasks right now. If you will implement these two tasks perfectly, then you are 100% good in if conditions. Then we can go to switch. The requirement is try to concentrate and don't be hurried to write the code. Instead of that, ultimate logic is important here. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sir, can we use pair condition on in the nested if condition?
What condition? Yeah, that will come where that will come. Yeah, sure. You can use pair conditions, all these things. That is going to happen in this requirement. To expose that only, I'm giving some tasks to you all. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Just concentrate these two tasks. Very simple point. Conditional statements are the most important concept in programming. So why conditional statements are most important? I'll show you one small example. Let's take, we have taken login page, Gmail login, or else you take Facebook. You take Facebook, right? Here what how many fields we have here?
Two fields, sir.
Two fields. One is mail ID, another one is password. User click login button. User click which button? Login button. My question is, when user click the login button, what is the behind functionality? Under login button click, what is the behind functionality? Hello? Are you?
We'll check a mail ID and password with the database.
Yeah, behind functionality, I click the login button and user will click login button. Behind functionality is what?
Checking of the checking database.
You check the password is correct or not.
Yeah, here you can observe that it will check the username and password. It will take a username and password and will verify with what? Database.
The database.
If both are matched, try to understand. If both are matched, what it will do?
It will log on.
If both are matched, what it will do?
It will show the login.
Right. See what is happening, here? Yeah. Under this button, click the behind logic is one is it will verify with the username and password with what? Database, Gmail database. If both are matched, it will redirect to next page. If both are not matched, means it will display error message. What is error message?
Invalid.
So finally,
Either the
behind
email or password are not invalid.
this button click, you have how many options?
Two options.
Among two which you want to execute? Only one.
So, yeah.
Only one. Either redirecting to next page or displaying the error message. So that means here among two options you want to execute only
One option.
one option. What is the logic?
If else if.
If else.
If else. Two options means if else.
If else. If
Two
else.
option
If
means
else.
if else. Are you clear? If else.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I'll show you other one. Similarly, in the same login page, sorry, same here you have a sign up for Facebook. Now you are going to enter into creating account page, and you click the create account button. It will giving error message. What is error message?
You need to give the
Enter the
first
first
name.
name.
What is your name?
What is your name? First name should not be empty. Suppose I entered first name is RN, and it will ask you what is your last name. I entered Reddy. Now it is asking my number, mobile number. I entered 123. And even though what happened, it is asking please enter valid mobile number because it should have. Like that, you can see total number of fields are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fields should not be empty and it should have a valid field. Around you have, let's say 10 options we have. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 is validations. 11th one is if everything is fine. If everything is fine, what it has to do? It has to create account for you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It has to create account for you means what? It has to create account for you means what? Inserting your account information into inserting your user details into database. So here we have around 11 options. But among 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 11, 10 are validations. 11th one is inserting user details into database, into Facebook database. Means first one is first name should not be empty. Second name, last name should not be empty. Phone number text box should not be empty. Phone number should have 10 digits and so on. So that means among this, at a time, how many are executing? Only
One.
One at a time.
only one validation is executing. You can observe only at a time only one validation is executing. One validation. You can observe. Okay, only one will execute. At a time one validation. Among multiple option, here you want to execute how many option?
10.
One option. What is the behind the logic? Conditional statements. Among
Else if.
among 10 option, you want to execute one option. What is the conditional statement?
If else if. If else if. If else if.
That is the beauty of a concept called this is in real time when you are developing any web page, any mobile page or anywhere. Every day behind the logic is what? Conditional control statements. You can say control. In that control statement also main concept is conditional statement. So most important, people will neglect this concept like anything. Why they are using, they don't know. What they are using, they are using, that's it. So the clarity is important. People will use. Where you have to use if else use, people will use multiple if condition. Where you need to use multiple if condition, people will use if else or nested if. So you should use if good programmer will use the appropriate conditional statements. So that's why I am giving you one task now. Are you ready to take task? Yeah, what is the task?
Yes.
Write a console program to accept age from the user and display the user status based on age. Right. Really, if you are able to write this program, it will be very good. Okay. I'll give you task. Yeah. Take it properly. You better to take on paper. Are you recording on paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enter your age. User entered age as 9. Store this age here in a variable called age. The variable type should be byte. If age, observe this, greater than or equal to 58, he is senior citizen. Senior citizen. If age between 25 to 57, 25 to 57, working citizen. Right, Babu, mute yourself. Right, age between 60 to 16 to 24 is a college student. College student. Age between 15, 4 to 15 is a schoolboy. Schoolboy. If age between 1 to 3, playing kid. Playing kid. Otherwise, invalid age. According to that, with this input, what is output? What is output? Vinil, what is output?
Senior citizen.
Senior citizen.
Senior citizen.
Citizen.
Senior citizen. Come on. Have you taken requirement, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the logic. Yeah. Okay, everybody recorded OP?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, when you are writing program, don't just think about output. Behind instead of output, here logic is important. Optimized logic, the best logic. Okay, I am in second floor. You have to reach me. You came to reception, asked them. They said my floor number and my room number. Directly you reach me. Otherwise, you went to first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, 2-3 times. You are here and there. Then you find me. So finally you find me, but no use. It's taking a lot of time. Like that, your program also should have appropriate logic, optimized logic. Right. Yeah. What is the right? If you have any noise, please mute yourself. So your noise you can understand. Any traffic or you are in, better to sit with mute, right? Yeah. Right. Written, all of you guys. What is the conditional statements we have to use for this requirement?
If else,
If else, if.
nested if else,
Else,
nested if.
that confusion you should have. That's the reason. You have how many option? Multiple option. More than one.
Multiple
Yes,
options.
Five.
Among
Yes.
multiple
five of them.
execute how many option?
One
Like,
option.
You better
Effective
we
for
have to
nested.
execute one option, but
you can go with if
Execute one option.
you can go with the if else if. But in if else if, how you have written conditions? I need clarity. Like, yeah, tell me first condition, Uma.
If age is greater than or equal to 58,
Very good. Second condition.
else if 25 to 27.
How you are written condition?
Age equal less than or
Age
equal
is-
to
equal to 57 and age.
Ampersand 16.
No.
age less than or equal to 57 and double answer
And the main what you are
age less
you are trying to write main conditions there, right?
Yes, sir. That's
Yes,
what I
sir.
was confused, whether we can write pair condition or
Come
not.
on, 1 minute. Enter your age. Enter your age. That is the logic. See whether what it is required exactly is logic. See, everybody will write the program. Blindly programming writing is not good. See, appropriate logic. Let's say age byte dot parse of console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay. Now console dot write line. Sorry, if age greater than or
Is
equal
greater than equals to 58.
to 8. Right. Now what? Console dot
Console dot.
write.
Right line, senior citizen.
No, don't repeat.
Won't it come in
Repeat.
parentheses?
When I'm asking, just speak. Otherwise, don't repeat. Right. Senior citizen. Senior citizen. Right. Else, if here I
Age
want.
greater than
Sir, won't
greater
we
than equal
write in between the braces?
Hmm?
Age greater than or equal to
Age.
25 and age less than or equal to 57.
no, not required. Age greater than equal to 25.
Wait. Age greater than or equal to 20,
25.
25.
25.
That's
And
it.
And
That's it, not required.
wait.
age less than or equal to 57.
Less than or equal to 57. So
7.
actually, listen here, guys. This is called pair conditions. Generally, we will call it as pair condition. Condition 1, condition 2. Condition 1 and condition 2 are called pair conditions. Actually, pair conditions will use, but in this requirement, this pair condition required or not required or required or not required or optional or
Not rec not required option.
required.
Not.
It's
Not
not required, sir. It's an optional.
okay, not required. Why not required? We'll see. And one more thing, these blocks are required or not required?
Not
Not
required,
required.
sir.
Then the blocks
Not.
are also not required. Just I'm keeping blocks only for like easy to like visible say. Otherwise you can remove because why block is not required. Here conditional
Only
dependent
one
variables are
statement.
only one we don't
One.
require. Okay, now you see here you everybody have written pair conditions I hope, but here pair condition
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes.
not required here. Single
No,
condition
sir.
it will frame here. Console dot write line. What is that? Working citizen.
Working class.
Working citizen. Else if age greater than or equal to next one 16. 16 means
16.
16 means
College.
College student.
College.
console dot write line. Console dot write line is college student. College student. College student. Else if other option is age greater than or equal to 4
Greater
I
than equals
4
to 4.
4 means
Yeah,
23.
schoolboy.
console dot
Schoolboy.
write line. Like school boy. School boy. Now else if age greater than or equal to 1. No. Age greater than or equal to 1. 1. Console dot write line. Right. Who is this playing kid? Playing kid. And now tell me Shaker here what?
Else.
Shaker.
Else invalid.
Elsa Elsifa.
Else.
Here condition required or not required? Not required.
Not required, sir.
Not required, sir.
Console dot write line. When control will come to this stage means above all conditions are false.
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 Invalid age. Invalid age. Right. Invalid age.
Age cannot be negative, sir.
Okay. That is okay. We didn't consider that actually here. Okay. We didn't think about positive or negative. If it is negative, what will happen? If age is negative, what will happen? Tell me.
Age cannot be negative, sir. How can age be negative?
That's
It
why.
will give us an invalid data,
Then
like
what
invalid
will
age.
happen? If you enter negative age, what will happen here?
It won't accept. It will read like invalid age.
No.
All the other
The friendly
statements will
message.
be
Actually, here, what is the data type? Byte. Byte is what? Signed or unsigned?
unsigned.
Unsigned. So if you will enter
Unsigned.
negative value, what will happen? Will unsigned data types will allow
Will not
negative values
accept.
or not? Then what will
No.
happen? Then what will happen?
Data entry is invalid. We'll get an error, runtime error,
We will
when
get
we are entering the
runtime
unsigned.
errors. We will enter your age. What is this? Right up? We are used right or right time? Yes. Right. Runtime
Right line.
errors. 1 minute. That we'll see later. That we'll see later. Now you can see. Enter your age. You entered -1. Immediately, what will happen here? Yeah. When you entered -1, what will happen? What will happen? It will throw in a exception. It will throw in an exception because -1, you are trying to assigning into which variable? Age variable. Age is assigned or unsigned? Unsigned. Unsigned will not allow the negative values. That's why it will throw what? Exception. It will throw exception. So this is called runtime error. That runtime error called this type of runtime errors we will handle later with the help of exception handling mechanism. See here we got a runtime error. This will handle later with the help of overflow exception. Got a error called overflow exception. This will handle later with the help of exception handling mechanism. Right now we are not considering that. Let us assume, we are assuming that your user entered either age from 0 to n value. 0 to n value. And yeah, okay, now you see what is exactly, try to concentrate why I have written single conditions because I'll tell you one few points here. Consider it is a filter because most of the people written here pair condition. Pair condition, if you will write pair condition also, you will get same output. If you will write single condition also, it will get same output. But pair condition writing is not required. Pair condition writing is not required. Why? Because consider every condition as a filter. Filter. It is one 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 filter. Like that. Consider as a filter. Filter. For example, this filter is holding which people and leaving which people. Holding means up to what value it will get true and up to what value it will get false.
Up to
Up to
50.
58 it will
It will
true.
hold the people. It will hold the people up to 58 to above.
After 58.
58,
Yes,
58
58
to
too.
above. 57% automatically is coming to LCIF. 57% automatically coming to else if
LCIF. Yes, sir.
why we have to write the one more condition are you 57 because he is coming by default is coming because this condition can hold the people from 58 to above. So if the percentage is 58 automatically the 58% is coming to LCIF. So not required. Suppose this condition is holding the people from 25 to above. So that means 24% is automatically coming to this condition. So that is the reason we don't require second condition. Now guys, here you can observe one thing. I entered 59. 59. Now try to concentrate now. 58 is stored into age. Now age is 58. sorry 59. 59 greater than or equal to 58. 59 greater than or equal to 58. True or false?
True.
Then console.write and senior citizen. It will print a senior citizen and what will happen? Remaining else-ifs will be remaining else-if from else-ifs to all will be skipped. All will be skipping Then control will go to console.readline. Console.readline. I'm muting you means, guys, you don't unmute. From your side, some noise is coming. That's why generally I'll mute you guys. Right. Whenever I'm muting, don't try to unmute. Right. Right. Next, let's say we'll go with the other flow. Next, user entered. Let us assume user entered in another way. That is, we'll say 57 this time. 57. 57. This time user entered 57. 57. 57 means what is happening, try to catch. See, output is not matter. How the flow is going on is a matter because you are going to be a programmer, you are not an end user. 57. 57 greater than or equal to 58. True or false? False. When it is false, control will skip this if block and will go to else if. Else if. 57 greater than or equal to 25. Come on, tell me. 57 greater than or equal to 25. Seventy, tell me. What happened? True or false?
True, sir.
Now true.
True.
Is true. If it is true, it will execute this statement. Working citizen, remaining else ifs and else will be skipping. Skipping. That's why you will get output called, what is that? Working citizen. Suppose user entered like this. Suppose user entered 24. User entered 24. Now age is what? 24. Then what will happen? We'll see. 24. Now 24 greater than or equal to 58. 70.
It will come.
False. False. Whenever condition is false, skip. Then 24 greater than or equal to 25.
Then it will come working citizen.
24 greater than or equal to 25. What I am asking, what you are telling. Condition true or false?
False. False, sir.
When it is false, it will skip. Again, control will go to else if. Now tell me, 24 greater than or equal to 26. True or false?
True, sir.
True.
True, sir.
Whenever it is true, control will execute college student and it will print college student. Print college student and else if and else will be skipping. And control will execute console.relay. See, everybody will say programming is tough without understanding all these things. Once you understand all these things, programming, you will say that nothing is there in programming. Okay, people will not try and will not do any hard work and simply will say that programming is tough, programming is tough. 2-0. This time user entered 2-0. This time user entered 2-0. Now what happened? When user entered 2-0, what happened? You see. Now, you guys trace it. 2-0. 2-0 greater than or equal to 58.
False.
Babu, concentrate, logic. You are understand all these things. Programming is nothing. 2-0, 50,
False, sir.
greater than equal. False. Skip. 2-0
False.
greater than or equal to 25.
False.
False. Skip. 2-0 greater
False.
than or equal to 16.
True.
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 Output is college student.
College student.
And will be skipping. Remaining will be skipping. Similarly, user entered 1. User entered 1. When user entered 1, what is happening? This you have to catch now. When user entered 1, flow is important here. 1 greater than or equal to 58.
False.
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 1 greater than or equal to 58. That's 25. False.
False.
1 greater than or equal to false. False.
False.
True. What is out?
Somewhere. Yeah.
Playing kid.
False condition.
Playing kid.
Playing kid.
Suppose user entered 0. No, the tracing is very, very important. But you should have patience for this. Okay, na? 0. User entered 0. 0 means what will happen, we'll see. 0 means what will happen, we'll see.
Sir, is it possible to enter in months?
Wait. Right, 0. 0 greater than or equal to 58. False.
False.
And control will go to what else? Else is what?
Invalid age.
invalid age. So right, invalid age. Okay, now right. That's it. That is a story. Okay, now you will get an output called what? Invalid age. Whenever you entered 0, it will give you invalid age. Right, right. Okay, fine. Now tell me what you are asking.
So we cannot convert into the months,
See, here
like in between the 0 and
no, here
1.
is what? Accepting the age, just age, years. Okay, so months,
Okay.
just age and in years and just checking his age and converting all these things. Why you required here? Our requirement is what? Whenever we have multiple option, you want to execute what? One option that you want to understand. To understand that, I have taken this requirement. And one more thing is
Okay.
what? Actually, you will, whenever I have given a requirement, you have immediately you have done what? A mistake is what? What you have done? You have written pair condition. Here pair condition. Here one more
Yes,
condition.
sir.
Here one more condition. I know that everybody will think like that only. Even though if I am a first time, I will also write like that. Then actually here we are identified one thing is, if you will write pair condition also, no problem. You can write. But every time it is checking what? One condition or two condition? Two condition. Two
Two
condition.
conditions.
Second condition checking is what? Unnecessary checking. So if because of unnecessary checking, what will happen? That application performance will be reducing. Application performance will be reducing. So to skip code, to avoid, to recognize these unnecessary conditions, I was exposed to this requirement. Are you clear? Here age, whether it is months or years, just we are considering your requirement is what? Age in years. So to understand, to avoid the unnecessary code. Unnecessary code means unnecessary condition in this requirement. I hope you are clear. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one
Yeah.
doubt.
Yeah. Yeah, any doubts you ask
Uh,
at the end of the class, because better. So let's say you got one doubt in this, better to record somewhere on paper. 99% the doubts will get clear in the explanation flow, like next. Suppose end of the session you didn't get the clarity, better to ask in the end. And second important point, what I am wondering, are you able to understand this program, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And one important point what I am asking you, is it possible to implement this example with the help of nested if?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You do one
We can
thing.
do it.
I'm giving one assignment, not now. You do one thing. Task is, task one for tomorrow is implement above age program by using nested if. You can implement. But ultimate is if else if is the best for this. Nested if is unnecessary complication. Yeah, another point is that you have to understand. When you can understand, if you will implement. Next one is implement above age program. My another question is, can we implement this same program with the help of multiple if conditions?
yes, sir.
Can we, what I'm telling you regarding output, can we get output or not? Whether it is best or not, you have to tell after you implement. Can we implement?
Yes, sir. It is possible.
We will
Yes,
get the output.
by using multiple if condition. Right. After you have written both programs, you give a conclusion. The conclusion is this age program, uh, for age program, what is the best conditional statement, whether it is if else if or multiple if or nested if. If you are telling that it is the best solution and best conditional statement is if else, then why it is best, why remaining two are not best? You have to give a conclusion with a handwritten notes. This is the homework for you. Can you try that?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand my
Yes, sir.
requirement? At least same age program,
Yes,
first
sir.
implement with
Yes,
the
sir.
help of nested if. Already right now we implemented with
Yes,
the
sir.
help of if else if. Now implement with the help of first nested if, then implement with the help of multiple if conditions. After you implement this, and you compare and you find that for the above program the best is XYZ. Why it is best, why both remaining two are not best, you have to write a conclusion. That conclusion is ultimate here. That conclusion is clarity about this concept. Okay, that you will get only if you will write the programs and if you are able to trace. Will you do it by tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Yes, sir.
coming
Yes,
to,
sir.
so it's up to you. See, I have my own training style. Nobody can give this type of programming. Everywhere in your training, you can see they will write the faculty will write the program. He will expose himself. It is not like that. End of the day, you should be become a good programmer. For that, I am giving a lot of work for you. If you will take it as positive and if you will work hard, end of the 2 hour session means 4-5 hours you have to work in lab. Okay, then only you will get ultimate results. That next task for you is just simply if you will attend the classes. This you will tell to your friends tomorrow. Once upon a time I was attending .NET training from Reddy. It will become a history. So if you will just attend the class without attending labs, if you will do both, then .NET will be in your life. Means it will be in present forever. Otherwise tomorrow for your kids you will tell long back I was attending .NET training. No use to just attend the classes. Whatever tasks I'm giving you are most important in this training. Okay, right. And as well as at the time of session is going on, I'm giving some I'm giving some tasks for you. That is also very important. Every moment I'm making you to think and comparing the concept. If I will explain, you may get just clarity. But if you will get the if you will think and you got the solution, that is confidence. Okay, right. Next task is write a console program to accept write a console program to accept student name and student 3 subject marks, that is M1 comma M2 comma M3. Let us assume M1 is one paper, M2 is another paper, M3 is another paper, 3 subjects. After you accept 3 subject marks, calculate note marks and AVG marks, total marks and AVG marks and result. Finally, and calculate result. Finally, display the student result. So, student name. Result can be fail, first class, second class, third class. You are accepting how many inputs?
3 inputs.
4.
Huh?
4 inputs, sir. 3 inputs, sir.
Student name, student.
Or not. Clearly, how many fingers? 5 fingers. Name accepting, na? 3
Yes.
subject means 3 plus 1.
Yeah, yes.
4. Then
3 plus 1. Yeah.
see, if you want to get the result, you need average marks. If you want to get the average marks, you need total marks. This is a logic.
Total marks.
First calculate total marks. Then calculate average marks. Then you have to display the result. Result means result is based on average marks. But result can be fail, first class, second class, third class. So have you written this on paper?
Yes, sir, we can write.
Yes,
Who
sir.
are following? Sir, every time whenever you are giving requirement like this, I am writing on paper. Who are following? Let me recognize the people who are doing like that.
I'm following, sir.
Uma.
I'm writing.
Following,
I'm
sir.
not sir.
Second, name.
Writing, sir.
Second,
Following, sir.
Vanilla.
Poonam.
Amoda, sir.
Next,
Sir, writing in the paper. Code also I am writing in the
who
paper.
will write the all these things on paper? They can only write the program with clarity. Remaining people are watching a cinema in YouTube like that. No use, I'm sure. Because very simple here. Requirement is important than program. Because father told to you that go to Vijayawada, bring something. Night at night you didn't listen his words properly, and morning early morning you went to Bangalore, and then by flight, and you called to daddy what you want from Bangalore. Then father is asking who said to you that go to Bangalore, because you didn't listen properly his requirement. Requirement listening is important. That too, immediately I am going to OP. I will close this window. You can't read one more time. So that requirement, whenever you want to spend 10 minutes, 7 minutes time you can spend for understanding requirement and designing the solution. Now I am going to designing the solution. That is important. Then only you can write the program. Right. Now I am writing design. Understanding the requirement. Next I am doing what? Designing. Designing I'm showing you. Designing also I'm showing you. Listen. But before that we need to understand one more important. So when he can be failed. Okay.
Then
Fail. When he can be failed.
In any subject.
below 35.
If any
If N1,
one subject, he got how much marks? Less than
less than 35.
35. 35. That is the fail consideration. What about first class?
Above 60.
Average marks.
Above 60.
Average marks above
50.
Above 60.
75.
first class. Abba.
Above 75.
First class greater than or equal to 60.
60.
Second class. Intentionally it seems you are giving wrong answers. Right. Average marks. Average marks 52. 52.
60.
52. 52.
59. 59.
59.
59.
Third class. Third class. Record this also. Third class. Average marks
42. 59.
35
No,
to
35. 35 to
49.
49.
Understanding domain, requirement understanding is important. Record it somewhere if possible. Over. Shall I give you remaining OP?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Right. You are taken up to that. I hope you are taken. Now let's say, yeah. Now I am giving OP, guys. OP. I am giving OP. Yes. The OP is. Listen, logic. Whether you remembered or not, initially I was telling how to design the requirement, how to design the solution based on the requirement. Enter your name. Enter your name. Say Rama. Rama store into one variable. Yes, name. What is the data type, brother?
String.
String.
String. Enter M1 marks. Okay, let's say 60. Store into M1. Maybe float. Enter M2 marks. Maybe 70. Store into M2 float. Enter
So give 30. I want to see, sir,
3
how
marks.
it works.
M3. Let's say 80. 80. M3
So
80.
can you give one less one so that we want to see how it works?
I didn't understand.
Below.
Then no problem. Just I am giving. You can enter less marks also. That we'll see later.
No, I just want to understand And if we give less, how does it work out?
That's
I
it.
mean, 2 are above average and the other one is below average.
Listen. Then you are
4
not
wrong.
understanding. This is only expectable output. That different values we can give after you write the program at the time of tracing. At the time of tracing.
Okay.
Okay. So values, whatever you want, you can give. That depends upon the end user. Not programmer will not decide the value, right? But your logic has to work for any type of value. Right. Now, yeah, guys. First, what we have to calculate? Total marks. How to calculate total marks? Total marks equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. What is that? What is that? 50 plus 70 plus 80. What is the value? What is the value? 60.
210, sir.
I think 130, 210. 210. 210 you have to assign into here. So this is what variable? Total marks. Load, total marks over. Next you have to calculate what marks? Average marks. Average marks equal to total marks by number of subjects. Number of subjects means 210 by 3.
70.
How much value? 70, na?
70.
70. 70 will be here. Now you got average marks. Now you have to check you have written some logic. That logic as to your code. The logic is, now you can observe 70 means here logic is, first of all,
Above
no. Among fail, my question is, try to understand. First class, second class, third class. How many options?
4 options.
Four. Among four, how many you want to execute at a time? Only?
One.
Only one.
Only
One means
one.
what is the logic? Control statement is what? If else. My question is, first which we have to consider? Fail, first class or second class or third class?
Fail, sir.
Because a student who got 90% marks also maybe fail in one subject. That's the reason first you have to consider this one. For that you have to write the condition. Second condition, third condition, fourth condition. According to that, 60, 70, 80 means no subject is less than 35, means he is not
Fail.
Means he is got how much percentage? 70. 70 means which class?
70. First class.
Rama result
First class.
is first class. Right. Yeah, Rama is what? Name of the student. Right. Average result, and we have to create one variable for result. That resulted value, first class or second class, or instead of if you don't want to store directly, you can print like this. Rama is the student name. Result is the user defined string. First class is the result. Okay, na? Come on. See, now after you write the program, you can give marks 10, 20, 30. You can give the marks 90, 90, 80, 70. You can give the marks 34, 70, 80. Like different ways you can. Now,
Sir, I did this at home today. Like yesterday you gave us to do some examples. I was trying to do this. But in one option I did the M1 marks 30, the M2 marks 50, M3 marks 80. The result it gave me was fail. Why? Because one of the subject he passed.
No. You write the logic again one more time. Okay? Write the logic one more time. All of you guys, try. Let's see find the problems in the program. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You try one more time. Ultimate, I want to get the output like this. You try. See, user input can be anything, but you people have to write the right logic to get the right output. Okay? It is very important program. Like this, we will write couple of programs. You do one thing, guys. Uma, you do one thing. It's not giving output means you have written wrong logic. Check it one more time. Okay.
No, sir, it did give me an output, but it gave me an output saying that result is fail.
What
I
input
gave
you have been? 1 minute. What you have been input?
the first input, the first marks I gave was 30.
Ah.
The second marks I gave 50.
Ah.
And the third subject I gave as 80.
Then you are a school teacher. You tell me whether student is pass or fail.
I just wanted to ask you that
No,
whether
not
the
required to
result what
ask
it is
you.
coming here,
First subject marks is how much?
30.
30. What is the point I have given in the first line when I am giving for fail what I said? If the student
It's
got any one subject
less than,
less than 35 is fail, right?
yes.
You're not understanding requirement. Listen, again I'm telling you what I said.
No,
Regarding fail what I said. If in any one subject like M1 or M2, M3 he got less than 35, he is what fail.
yeah, but here the when you're total calculating the overall, the average, will it give you the result as per the average or as per the subject wise?
You tell me you conducted one exam for your students. There are 3 subjects. Okay. So, uh, 3 subjects you want to give the result to the student. I got 19 one subject, 18 one subject, I got 13 one subject. What you will say? According to average marks, I got highest percentage. But actually, whether I am the first in the class or I am the failed student in the class.
So it will be a failed student because he
Fail,
failed
right?
in one subject.
That is it. See, even though whenever we are displaying the results also in internet, what we will consider first, we will pick all the failed students because he may get 99 percentage, 90 percentage, but he should get a score in every paper 35 or above 35, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that you
Okay.
need to consider that. That's the reason you are asking that question. Okay, fine, guys. You try this and you do one thing in lab book under conditional statements, whatever examples are there. I'm closing this window. I'm going to give you some more assignments to you. Open your lab book, all of you guys, because you have to write this type of programs. Then only lab book, open lab book, all of you. Then only we can improve our logic. At the time of conditional statements, you should be strong in conditional statements. Okay, right. One day you will not get, when you will work more multiple hours, definitely you will get very good clarity in this. You have to struggle because I said just now I have shown Facebook. Every button click, behind every button click you have logic. 99% in logic we will use conditional statements. Conditional statement is more important than even the loops according to me. People will not consider all these things because trainers, because it's very difficult to convince a student also regarding this. Okay. Yeah, I'm giving you
I
some
think it's
tasks,
from 21.
right, guys? And 21 means those programs already we have written na? So that is
No,
not.
sir, we wrote it 20.
No, my question is we have done in lab 20. Okay,
Yeah.
task 21, take a task 21, train already we completed, but right, you do in lab 22, 21, 20, 21, 22, no, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28. Above here also use, for all you use only if conditions. Don't use any switch. 28, 29, 29, 29, yeah, 29, up to 29, 29, enough. Up to 29 you try. And the next class will be on Monday. Tomorrow I have a special class with other, here I have a other commitment. So we will meet on Monday and complete all these things. And if possible, if you need some more assignments in this lab book, you can go to, you can go to some more assignments if you want to do lab book. All logical programs are there. I'll show you some other tasks which are related to if conditions. There are so many programs are there. If you will try all these things, really will become an expert in .NET, I'm sure, but I don't know what is your patience. Babu, you try this also. 89, 89 also you can try with if else if. 89, 90, 90, enough. 89, 90. You try that also with the help of if else if. I'm sure if you will do all these things, you will be getting 100% clarity in if condition. Next class, I will start with this program, student remarks program. Then we will enter into switch. And the switch is having somewhat confusion. We have to compare switch with if else if, because next class is very, very important. There are a bit of confusion in switch because people will have a confusion where I have to use switch, where I have to use if else if. Okay, try all these things. We'll meet on Monday. Okay, thank you very much. You can leave for the day, and weekend you will get any, if you need any recording, you send me a test mail and with the date when you want exactly. That date recording I can send you in weekends. Every weekend I'll send you the recordings, whoever need recording.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, we did
the
not
other,
receive from last weekend, sir.
Okay. That you mentioned last time. What happened? We got a problem. Somebody received. I sent to all the people actually, all one to starting to ending, but I don't know. Somebody didn't receive. The reason is what I drive. Google Drive is not allowing me to send to. I think it has given an error message like your limit is completed. We will see. This weekend I'll try. I think it will be. I think again we can send, and you just whoever didn't receive, just give me a reminder. By Sunday I can send to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.